We're going to be looking at question 21b from the 2013 Revised Higher Physics paper. And the question relates to a question where the car passes a motorcycle. The car is traveling at 15 meters per second. It passes the motorcycle, at which point the motorcycle starts to speed up and accelerate, and this graph shows the speed time or the velocity time for both the motorcycle and the car on the one graph. And so question B says state the distance or calculate the distance between the car and the motorcycle at 4 seconds. So this is 4 seconds after the point where the car passes the motorcycle. So effectively the question is, one is going to travel farther than the other. What is the distance between them after these 4 seconds? So we have to really determine, well, what is the distance traveled by both cars, by both vehicles during that 4 second interval. And the easiest way to do that with the speed time graph or velocity time graph is to determine the area under the graph, which is equal to the displacement in this case. So we'll color in the car, which is this rectangular block first, and we'll label this over here. So the car, its distance is displacement is the base times the height. It's just the area, which is 4 times 15, which is 60 meters. Of course, remember that that's effectively the same as doing displacement as speed or velocity multiplied by time, which is 15 and 4, giving the same value. We'll do the motorcycle over here. So the motorcycle, and I'm just going to rub out this section here so we can clearly draw in the area of the motorcycle, and we'll choose a different color, maybe red. So this is the area of the motorcycle, this triangular area, which is here, and that means its displacement is half base times height, which is half of 4, half of 4 times the height of 20. So 20 times 4 is 80, divide that by 2 is 40 meters. And so effectively what that means is the car has traveled 60 meters and the motorcycle has traveled 40 meters. And so therefore the extra distance, I'll maybe put this in green, extra distance is equal to the difference between these two, 60, take away 40, which is 20 meters. Now there's just one other thing to say here, and that is just to remind you that in the marking scheme, this motorcycle is accelerating, so we can also use a Suvat equation. It suggests we can use the equation v squared is equal to, just undo that,